Hello from Wandering Wanda. I'm Ariel. This is the Rhino X RV sewer hose. And this one is supposedly 31 feet. And it's a lot more durable than what I have now, supposedly. So I'm going to test it out. What I have right now is the 15 feet one because it's what comfortably fits in the sewer storage unit that we have underneath the airstream. So I'm hoping it doesn't look like this one's much shorter. So I'm looking forward to that. It compresses down to 31 inches. It's supposed to be 20 feet. Okay, it's 20 feet and it compresses down to 31 inches. So that will fit, but we'll find out. Okay, right now I do want to unbox it. Ooh, this is a different kind of okay, this stays attached to this. Interesting. Alright, so this stays to that, so this is what we still need. Okay. Well, alright, so we got 3 caps and a sewer thing. We're going to take out the old hose and see if this one fits. If it doesn't fit, okay, we're going to take out the old hose and see if this one fits in the storage unit with this thing attached to it. It fits. Right, let's okay, we're going to throw out the old hose and see if that one works. Alright, one of the reasons I don't like this new hose by Rhino, and this is actually very disgusting. When I was taking this out from the other RV site, when you go to clinch this like that, the water or the sewage that's inside, the dirty water that's from here, splashes back out. That's disgusting, especially from this side. When you're cinching this back, the water is splashing out. The main reason I don't like this new hose of theirs is the sewer section. See, you can't remove it. So their other Rhino plug, where you can't screw it in and you just shove it into the hole, like this one, you can't attach it. There's no way to attach this. So they're missing the other part goes here, which is over here on this side. But if you use just this side, it only becomes a 10-foot hose instead of a 20. Stupid. So what they need to do is they need to put this connection back here. So I recommend you don't buy this Rhino hose, even though it compacts really small. Well, because it compacts really small, again, the water splashes out. It's disgusting. So through Amazon, I bought the other hose that I threw out from before. The 15 feet Rhino hose fits perfectly into the Airstream socket. The reason I'm touching this with bare hands is because I've actually never used it. Never needed to, but I have it just in case. Where I can connect this to it. See? They need to put that in that again. This part. And this one, I know when you scrunch it, it doesn't spill back. Right, hopefully this tip helps whoever's out there. Thank you for watching. Bye.